Namaste Ji, Namaste. Welcome to Sahaj GTLOI Wale. I'll read out a tweet to you before starting this session on the masculine and the feminine. So the tweet says, this is not mine, this is from somebody else's account. He should have a 2 BHK flat in tier 1 cities, talking about a male. He should have a minimum package of 15 plus lakhs per annum. He should have a bungalow, land in village. He should not live with his parents. He should have a car. This is also a form of dowry. So of course, it's somebody else's account, it's their freedom of expression, speech and expression, they can write whatever they want to. I wanted to explain using this the principle of the masculine and the feminine. Now, masculine is the principle, the Shakti of which is taking the form of this is primarily coming from Mangal. As they say, men are from Mars and women are from Venus. And females, they primarily are coming from Venus. Therefore, solitaire, diamond, fool, all pretty things in life यहाँ पे ज़्यादा अच्छी लगती हैं और इन जीव जंतुओं को ये चीज़ें ज़्यादा पसंद आती हैं बिकॉज उनमें एक फेमिनिन एनर्जी है. और जब हम यहाँ पे मैस्कुलिन के बारे में बात करते हैं तो लड़ाई, मारकाट, रेसलिंग, तेरे को पीट दूंगा, this is all masculine stuff. This is not a male and female debate, let me tell you. So the masculine cannot survive without the feminine and vice versa. That can never be done. They will have to exist anytime that creation is there. ये दोनों आएंगे ही आएंगे. Now coming back to the said tweet in question. इस भाई को मंगल, primarily speaking, the Purush, right? Purush में philosophical context नहीं कह रहा because that Purush is the third person witness who's just observing everything and is not participating exactly in anything. अगर हम बिल्कुल बेस लेवल बात करते हैं मंगल, we go back to our caveman days, right? The early man days. क्या था? पुरुष का एक दो काम है प्राइमरली, पीपी, मतलब पीपी करने वाली पीपी नहीं, बट प्रोटेक्ट एंड प्रोवाइड. इस जमाने में सर क्या करते थे? बाहर जाते थे और क्या करते थे? शिकार करके खाना लाते थे. आज की डेट में खाना तो खरीदा जा सकता है, तो वो पैसों से आता है ना जी. तो आज आप प्रोटेक्ट एंड प्रोवाइड ऑफ द फेमिनिन कैसे करेंगे? बाय गैदरिंग रिसोर्सेज एंड मनी. दिस इज योर प्राइमरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. सो फीमेल्स गेट ब्लेम्ड लॉर्ड, क्या रहे, ये तो गोल्ड डिगर है, ये तो पैसों के पीछे है, और ये सब ये फिजूल की जो बातें फीमेल्स को काफ़ी ज़्यादा सुननी पड़ती हैं. आप खुद सोच के देखिएगा, एक छोटी सी एक बात है. साइकोलॉजिकली गो बैक टू द अर्ली मैन एरा. वहां से इट इज हार्ड वायर्ड इनटू योर डीएनए एज वेल कि मैं उस पुरुष के साथ जाना चाहूंगी, एज एन आई सेलेक्ट दैट मेल हु कैन प्रोवाइड द मैक्सिमम protection to me. Now that protection in today's age primarily comes from money, right? तभी आप देखेंगे कि बहुत खराब शक्ल के आदमियों के साथ भी बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर लड़कियां होती हैं. एंड देन पीपल आर वंडरिंग, अरे इसके पास तो पैसे के चक्कर में कोई नहीं गया हुआ. पैसे की भूख इज वेरी एंसिलरी, कई लोगों में होगी, बट मेजॉरिटी केसेस में व्हाट द फेमिनिन, नॉट द फीमेल बाय द वे, व्हाट द फेमिनिन सीक्स बेसिकली. वन सेकेंड, एज यूजुअल हमारा बोर्ड चलने को राजी नहीं होता है बीच बीच में. द फेमिनिन बेसिकली इज सीकिंग अ मेल्स प्रोटेक्शन. अब सर जी क्या कह रहे थे? सर कह रहे हैं ही शुड हैव अ 2 BHK फ्लैट इन टियर 1 सिटी. हाँ, बिकॉज दिस इज प्रोटेक्शन लेयर है, राइट? प्रोटेक्शन, और ये प्रोटेक्शन उसको चाहिए क्यों? प्रोटेक्शन चाहिए क्यों? Why does the feminine need protection? We are living in times where it is, you know, strong independent women का जमाना, इसमें ऐसी मतलब प्रोटेक्शन चाहिए क्यों? Because at its very core it is attractive. अब अगर पुरुष ये नहीं करेगा कि उसके पास एक फ्लैट ना हो, उसके पास एक गाड़ी ना हो, उसके पास एक पैसे कमाने की क्षमता ना हो, तो क्या करोगे तुम? मतलब what can you bring to the table? She will bring the looks to the table. You will bring the resources to the table. Eventually an offspring will be produced. For her to choose you, this protection ring has to be provided for, right? And if this protection ring is not provided for, some or the other male is going to come in and take her away. मैं आपको बहुत कड़वी सच्चाई बता रहा हूँ of masculine and the feminine. And अगर आप जीवन में अगर आप लड़ाई देखेंगे, सारी लड़ाई फेमिनिन के ऊपर है. What is the feminine? Let us try to understand. Land, property, खुली छोड़ दोगे कोई ना कोई कब्जा कर जाएगा. Wealth, primarily cash, ध्यान नहीं रखोगे चले जाएगा. Liquor, again feminine, has a lot of shakti, has a lot of urja inside of it, can make anyone dance. तभी लोग यूजली लोग लिकर छुपा के रखना पसंद करते हैं. यू नो, यू इनहेरेंटली जस्ट डू नॉट वांट टू कैरी अ बॉटल ऑफ विस्की होल्डिंग इन योर हैंड अराउंड, यू जस्ट वांट टू कवर इट, राइट? इसलिए लोग कहते हैं कि कुछ ना कुछ आप थोड़ी सी चीजें आप छुपा के रखें. वाटर ऑल्सो इज फेमिनिन. इंडस वाटर, टीटी, इंडिया, पाकिस्तान, है कि नहीं? दैट ऑल्सो इज फेमिनिन. ऑल ऑफ योर नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज, दे आर प्रकृति, फेमिनिन इन नेचर. और सारी लड़ाई अगर आप नोट करेंगे, अच्छा, एंड द लास्ट बिगेस्ट एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ द फेमिनिन एनर्जी इज अ फीमेल. आप देखेंगे कितनी लड़ाई होती है ओवर फीमेल्स, होती है कि नहीं होती, राइट? एंड देन काफी आदमियों को काफी जिंदगी में समझ नहीं आता है. डेटिंग वेटिंग सब ठीक है, लेकिन आप बहुत एक्सेप्शंस असाइड, आप बहुत ऊपर की श्रेणी की फीमेल, अगर आप मतलब आप नीचे की श्रेणी में हैं मटेरियल रिसोर्सेज वाइज, शायद आप शादी ना करा पाए क्योंकि वो आपके साथ दुखी हो जाएगी. दैट इज व्हाई many people are just unable to convince uptown girls to eventually marry them. They may date you, by the way, they can. However, when it comes to marriage, it almost never works out. Why is this the case? Because primarily speaking, मंगल है और as usual हमारा बोर्ड, primarily speaking मंगल है और शुक्र है. तो अगर हम शुक्र की एनर्जी वैसे ही देखते हैं, शुक्र की एनर्जी वैसे ही देखते हैं, क्या क्या है इनके पास? इनको सबसे पहले चीजें चाहिए सारी प्रिटी, राइट? प्रिटी चाहिए. अट्रैक्टेड टू डायमंड्स, ज्वेलरी एटसेट्रा. व्हाई? हार्ड वायरिंग है ना, ये ऊर्जा, ये शक्ति ही यहां से आ रही है, इसका आप कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे. बृहस्पति वाले लोग सिर्फ ज्ञान ही खोजते रहते हैं कि सारा टाइम भाई साहब कुछ सिखा दो, कुछ नया सिखा दो, है कि नहीं? ऐसी मतलब ऐसे अलग अलग बहुत सारी चीजें. तो फ्लावर्स प्राइमरली स्पीकिंग लाइक अट्रैक्ट्स लाइक. आप सोचे मंगल, राइट? एक फेमिनिन एक मैस्कुलिन आदमी है जो कि प्राइमरी मतलब बहुत ज्यादा आपको लग रहा है कि भाई ये तो बड़े ही मतलब इसमें कुछ ज्यादा ही मैस्कुलिन ऊर्जा है. आप जाके उसको फूल देंगे, वो कहेगा यार ये क्या बकवास ले आया तू, है ना? फूल जो हैं वो आदमी को मरने पे ही मिलते हैं. मैं आपको बड़ी कड़वी सच्चाई बता रहा हूँ. यहाँ पे why are people running after? So people will always run after Venus. The better looking people, the people who carry themselves well, the Venus is always attractive. No other planet attracts like this guy does. And Mangal, so आप नोट करेंगे कि जात मतलब जब आप पुरुष को जब आप कंसिडर करते हैं तो यहाँ पे you have to P and P. Like you don't have to P, but you have to protect and provide. अगर आप ये भी नहीं कर सकते, आप किसी काम के ही नहीं है मेरे भाई. बहुत बहुत कड़वी सच्चाई मुझे पता है. Except maybe your parents, nobody loves you unconditionally. And especially your mother loves you unconditionally. पिताजी तो फिर भी कहते हैं अरे ये तो कुछ करता ही नहीं है, वो of course पिताजी सारे अच्छे होते हैं, ऐसी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. But emphasizing the point, the degree of love, the intensity of the mother almost always is greater than in most cases in fathers, exceptions aside. Why? Again, मदर भी तो शुक्र है और इधर आप मंगल है. She'll support you unconditionally, but because she's your mother. And that is where you can, through your mother, taste a little bit of what God really is. है वहाँ पर, मतलब that can, you can, absolute non-conditional प्यार है आपसे. लेकिन जब आप अपना एक पार्टनर ढूंढें, और पार्टनर आप ढूंढ क्यों रहे हैं? टू कंप्लीट योरसेल्फ, बिकॉज द मैस्कुलिन इज इनकम्प्लीट विदाउट द फेमिनिन, एंड फेमिनिन is incomplete without the masculine. Now, feminine, usually, generally speaking, has 1500 more options than what the masculine ever gets. Therefore, the masculine tries to go all in, all out in trying to prove his love कि बस मेरे साथ ही रहना, तो बाकी किसी के साथ कोई जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि इनको पूछेगा कौन. फिर वो काफ़ी लोगों को ये रियलाइजेशन होती है कि अरे, तो काफ़ी लोग मतलब अपनी फ्रस्ट्रेशन में विद नॉन सक्सेस विद फीमेल्स ये बोलना शुरू कर देते हैं, अरे ये तो गोल्ड डिगर होती हैं, इनको तो सिर्फ पैसे से मतलब है. नहीं, आप बेसिक लेवल नहीं, आप बात नहीं समझ रहे हैं. शी इज गोइंग टू कम इन टू योर लाइफ, शी नीड्स दैट प्रोटेक्शन. अच्छा, हर फीमेल का लेवल भी अलग है, एज इन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट हायरार्कीज इन सोसाइटी हियर, राइट. अब कोई जो एक लड़की है जो कि शुरुआत से ही एक बहुत ही अमीर हाउस होल्ड में पली बड़ी हुई है, वो अगर आपके साथ नीचे आ भी जाएगी, जैसे वो एक पिक्चर आई थी, एक सोनम कपूर और ये क्या नाम है उस लड़के का, धनुष, आई फॉरगॉट द नेम, रंजना, आई थिंक, बनारस वगैरह वाली की स्टोरी थी. भाई वो नहीं आने वाली नीचे, नहीं, लेकिन प्यार में बहुत शक्ति होती है, ऑफ कोर्स होती है, बट प्यार पे शायद पूरी जिंदगी नहीं निकलती, क्योंकि वो शी इज अट्यून्ड टू अ सेपरेट लाइफस्टाइल. You can be as good as to her as possible, and then you'll be like, यार ये हो क्यों नहीं रहा मेरे को, तो क्योंकि आपको थ्योरी गलत दी गई, क्योंकि आप उतने रिसोर्सेज ला नहीं पाएंगे. प्यार है, उसे भी पता है आपको प्यार है, लेकिन वो आपके साथ नर्क में आ जाएगी और 2 साल में फिर आपको छोड़ देगी, एंड अगेन शील गेट द ब्लेम. सो women since centuries have just had blames without anyone really seeking to understand as to what the hell is going on here, right? तो इसीलिए ये पिक्चरें भी बनाई जाती है, बिकॉज ये रेयरेस्ट ऑफ रेयर केस है ना. मतलब अगर इफ इट वर अ वेरी रेगुलर थिंग इन विच यू कैन लेट अस से, अगर ये रियल लाइफ में चीज ऐसी वर्कआउट हो रही होती तो पिक्चर कौन बनाता? पिक्चर तो तभी बिकेगी जब कोई रेयरेस्ट ऑफ रेयर थिंग होगी. दैट इज वाई हमेशा एक गरीब आदमी, एक अमीर लड़की के बारे में बनाई जाती है पिक्चर. उसका कारण क्या है? देखिए, द फीमेल कैन गो up in hierarchy when it is time for marriage. I'm not talking about dating here, I'm talking about marriage. अगर मेल यहाँ है और अगर hierarchy में female is coming from a lower family than this guy, lower in the sense purely the ability to protect and provide, the female goes up. However, you will seldom see, unless and until it is an exceptional case जहाँ पे मेल का परिवार नीचे है एंड फीमेल ऊपर है, that she is stepping down. Why? Because her protective circle goes for a toss here. And why would she want to do that? Think about it. Why would she want to do that? It is as simple as that, isn't it? Things are quite simple. This is the classic interplay between the masculine and the feminine. Even in our like for example Durga Saptami में क्या हो रहा था? The feminine is constantly being attacked by a lot of asuric forces, in which those asuric forces have already destroyed. The gods have bowed down कि भाई हमारे बस की बात नहीं. So the masculinity in the god lok, you can say, has already bowed down कि भैया हमारे बस, हम तो हार गए. Then the female ही अपने आप अस्त्र शस्त्र उठाती है ना जी. There is nothing basically that the female cannot do pretty much. It is just that she decides not to do because, well, she has to create life. And that is how this entire interplay works. And the thing is that people, instead of, for example, men, instead of bettering themselves, getting better physiques, earning more money to provide more resources for their family, which is their primary role to do, just keep on blaming females for no reason. I mean, this is certainly not a form of dowry. No, it is not. Dowry is something else altogether, which I won't go in there today because then it will get very, very complex, right? And dowry, क्या बोलते हैं, it requires a lot of discussion, the historical discussions of where it developed from and where we are today. So therefore, the masculine, get ready, and the feminine, understand it. Both, it is never a male versus female debate. So usually क्या है, so feminism ki movement has to be supported because it's been a lot of fight, a lot of struggle where women actually had to basically to reach where they are today. However, some have completely destroyed the movement, and I know many people misuse the laws as well, and many women you misuse. They are the biggest enemies of women who are misusing the laws that were designed specifically for protection of females, because a lot many of them get beaten up on a daily basis. That doesn't mean that all men are doing it, however. So it's a very, very complex thing. People always online in online discussions and debate, they're either you are here or either you are there. Perhaps each case demands a separate discussion. तो ये जो interplay जो है of the masculine and the feminine creates one whole organism, and both need to be there. So men will do very well to learn from the feminine side of intuition, emotions, and how to feel more, and the feminine energy will perhaps should learn a bit of logic from the masculine side. And इसीलिए दो बनाए गए थे कि you guys experience each other and experience that both are well forms of divinity. अब usually क्या हुआ, this movement has been hijacked in which females are basically, they are saying no, everything masculine is only good, you leave your femininity behind, and that is the biggest damn joke, in which certain folks are basically just losing their grace, and things are going quite haywire, right? But we'll get to that on another day. So of course this is not a form of dowry. The man needs to provide. This is the crude reality. The masculine energy, if it can't protect or provide, is pretty much useless for the feminine energy. Isn't it as simple as that? Like for example, chalo, I'm unmarried, but let us say that I had a wife and I'm like constantly crying है DULLB से law drop हो गया और मेरा तो काम जुडिशरी में 3-year practice clause आ गया, वो मुझे नहीं पता. You manage to provide. That's it. Let us say that I had a wife and a kid. What would I say to them then? Of those of you who do not know me, I teach for judicial services exams primarily, and the law entrance examinations, NLSAT and DUL. But it's a very it's a very minor scene. I can't really cook up excuses if she were there. So you have to do it. You just have to do it, because otherwise you are as good as useless. प्यार रहेगा, प्यार वगैरह सब कुछ बहुत अच्छी बात है, and unconditional भी रहेगा in certain scenarios for the most extended period of time as possible. Eventually she needs that protection because she's going to give you the child. Only she can create life, you can't, right? You can't. What will the child need? More resources? The child is an infant, he needs she needs protection. The woman needs protection. She's in a very vulnerable state while and she is going to basically have sexual intercourse with you. Again, very vulnerable position to be in. Second, the child is going to that 9-month process, again she is vulnerable. Then she has to raise the kid. She can't afford to raise another kid altogether. You can't be like crying, मम्मी ने वो कहेगी मैं, तभी तो आजकल लड़कियां एक लाइन देती है कि मेरे को एक और बच्चा नहीं चाहिए अपने सर पे, और वो सच बात है, वो सही बोल रही है भैया. इसीलिए पहले पगड़ी सेरेमनी कराई जाती थी, जब फैमिली में लीडर जब आपका जो गुजरा था कि ये बच्चे को अब ये जो भी अगला जो इसको पगड़ी पहनाओ, दैट ही हैज टू बी द रिस्पॉन्सिबल अडल्ट, containing the masculine of the house. And I'm not saying the male, because even the female can don this role. My mother has donned this role She was the primary masculine player when my father expired when I was 2. तो ऐसे बहुत सारी females भी करती हैं. So I've seen this entire role play of both of these energies playing out, and this is my session for the day, that you need to understand that there is an interplay between, this is not a war between male versus female, this is an interplay between masculinity and femininity, and the masculine and feminine, they can be, so the masculine can also go into a female, that energy can also fly into a female, you get Indira Gandhi, and you get the feminine can flow into a male as well, and you will get a very, very soft, pretty much almost a homosexual sort of a male, and which is not a very bad thing at all. It is just an energy interplay, and this has existed since time immemorial, right? So once you understand it from these lenses as to why, what is happening and why has it been created in the manner that it has been created, a lot of debates and discussions come to an end. Any which way. So if you're a man watching this, better arrange for the resources if you want a female in your life. And you're a female watching this, well, choose a man who can protect and provide for you. And anytime that somebody calls you a gold digger, give them the pravachan. It's not. We'll talk about equality the day men start running after not so good looking women, and the day women who have financial resources, who are earning well, start to marry unemployed males. मैं आपको बहुत बहुत कड़वी सच्चाई में मैंने आपको एक लाइन में समझा दिया है, क्योंकि वो कभी हो ही नहीं पाएगा, because that is the interplay between primarily the masculine and the feminine. It has always worked this way. It perhaps is going to work like that forever. The moment this interplay starts to, the balance starts to disappear, the relationship is going to collapse no matter how much love there is in it, right? But any which way, many people don't ever get to experience love except from their mothers in this lifetime, both males and females. We'll do another topic on how and why this is the case, because love is the rarest of rare things. मतलब people have mistaken lust for love. Love तो बहुत 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 कम ही experience लोग करेंगे. And ओशो के बहुत सारे प्रवचन हैं on प्रेम, which I completely agree with. But anyway, that's a topic for separate another day. ठीक है जी. Alrighty then, wishing you all the very best. Do take very good care of yourself. Leave a comment on what sort of discussions would you like on this channel. And these are just my free-flowing thoughts of whatever I have understood in life. Hopefully they help out someone. You were free to disagree with them. I always implore people to have more and more freedom of speech and expression. And as long as, of course, it is respectful. Alrighty, wishing you all the very best. Do take very good care of yourself. May God bless you. Bye.